off. There's Phil Lamb and Russell Smith for Tour of the Town.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. And here we are at Alburgh.
Yes, we are indeed.
Russell was waiting for me to mispronounce that one.
Yeah, it's spelled Alburgh, A-L-B,
Yeah.
Alburgh.
Yeah.
It's Arborough.
That's right, it's
yes.
Alburgh. So Russell says.
It is, trust me, it's Arborough. Yes.
And this is All Saints Church. We're a couple of miles north of Harleston.
Yeah.
The very tall West Tower here of very early 16th century, I think 1506,
Yes.
when the money was left to it as a bequest.
Not bad, is it? Yeah.
In those days, the local gentry would pay for much of the fabric of the church, leave money in the will.
That's right.
And money was left in 1506 for a building of the steeples, they used to call it then. You can see right at the top there,
Yeah, that's right.
embattled.
Indeed.
Two-stage embattlement, so we
Pinnacle,
just
yeah.
learn, yeah. Bits added on. There was a big
Yeah.
restoration here in 1876. Let's take a look then, Russell. We've got
Stopped raining at last.
mattresses. So you can see there's a west doorway going into the tower. There's some niches where the angels would have been originally. Okay.
Probably good, yeah.
We have a south porch,
Daffodils.
and we got a graveyard full of daffodils. It's the last day of February. We've finally or nearly made it to the end of winter. It is absolutely full of daffodils. Some snowdrops stood about as well.
It's quite cold. The air is quite cold now, isn't it? But,
Yeah, it's turned colder today. Last week it reached 17 degrees across Norfolk.
yes. Yeah.
Amazing. Let's have a look at this porch. We'll go in there in just a second. It's a 15th century porch, Russell.
Nice.
There's the nave.
Quite
Three bays to the nave there. You see a scratch tile in the well in here, Russell?
at the moment.
Possibly one
something
used to
there.
be there.
Could be one there, yeah. This side really, no, there is something here that has some scratches, I think.
Yeah, little hole in there. Could be
Yeah.
one. Might be a few then. Quick tour around. Perpendicular style windows. Got a granite cross here.
Oh yes, that's a wall or something. Great, baby.
See that? Strange looking stone behind it. I'm quite sure what that was.
If the roof works, that'll be.
Yeah. What's going on there? It's like what they call a croquet shape.
Oh, yes, yeah.
Victorian headstones.
Yeah.
It's about late Georgian as well.
Yes, not so hard
Isn't there?
so far. Mm.
So we've got got the chancel here. Got some wide tracery windows, which
Ah, yes, the old tracery, yeah.
does indicate that it's slightly older than the nave, perhaps 1200. So
It does look
very narrow
lower down
priest door,
than the nave, isn't it? Chancel, isn't
and
it?
netting over it. Round to the east side. There's the east window of the chancel. Windows of the chancel actually from the 1876 restoration, Russell. As is the vestry that comes off to the northeast over there. It's also from the 1876 restoration. Not too good, is it? So round to the rather muddy north side of the. There's the vestry. 1876 restoration. Rather featureless north side to the chancel.
Stages of exposed.
North side of the nave. Is that an R, Russell, or is it just the nave? Let's see, sort of reddish stonework there. Quite big perpendicular windows. We've got a little north doorway there. You've got the stairway up there going up the north side of the tower. Interesting, that little window there. It does look quite old. Look there. Almost a round-headed arch there. Niches. Some brickwork. So, let's go into the church then.
Yeah, so not sure what you'd expect here, but the Victorians are going to be in here.
So we've got a few benches either side. Doorway into the nave. Well, I'm not sure actually, Russell. Looks like it's going to be heavily restored, really, isn't it?
Yeah, filled in.
And we're open.
Yes, very nice.
So here we are.
Yeah.
So, let's have a look. Down the nave, we see we have no aisles in this church. No. Just the nave, the tower and the chancel. Nave roof, arch braces. Also, if you have a look at the sides there, it's survival. Quite an old late medieval roof, I think, to be honest, or possibly like early Tudor. Same in that side there, that typical 16th sort of century design. See that? But most of it, you got the arches look pretty old as well, but all the timbers in between are restored. It's partially old. You got a very, very tall, very wide chancel arch. Restoration in 1876. We have benches, poppy heads, imitating medieval designs.
Behind us, that doesn't hold on, does it?
So we have like a tub-looking font.
Yeah.
Perhaps on an older base.
Looks like it, doesn't it?
Little font cover as well. Quite slim, really, isn't it?
Very different.
Is that marble there on top there?
It could be. Yeah, very smooth. It's unusual, isn't it?
Yep. Pictures of the church used to look like. The Victorian gentleman. Can't quite see who. The Reverend John Adams.
Possibly a previous rector.
Yep, John Adams. Older picture of the church. That's a nice picture, isn't it? Do you love these old pictures that they have in churches sometimes? That's before the restoration. Yeah. The Reverend John Adams again, 1846 to 74, was that? Died young, didn't he?
Yeah. He was a rector here, though.
Oh, I see. Okay, I get you, yeah.
His age.
We've got Norwich Cathedral.
Yeah.
And it looks over here. We've got like an old studded wooden door here, Russell. For the tower, yeah. Have you noticed what else is in there?
Yeah, very studded, isn't it? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Got a procedure for entering the tower. Danger keep out.
What's the bells up there?
Yeah. Strange studs all over it.
Yeah.
That's the door. Down there. The floor. Appears to have some old grasses.
Some old grasses would have been there, yeah. It's a shame, isn't it? Good ones, but three.
Well worn. You see definitely to your left of you as well.
Yeah.
The indents. Oh, dear me, all long gone. Like, at least 4 figures there.
Yeah, it must have been.
Yeah, more across there. Another 3 figures across there.
It's a shame, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Good ones.
Okay, so we're going to head back into the nave. We've got a nice old chest.
1586, I think it says. Is it it.
Oh wow!
Look at that.
Oh, well spotted. So, yeah, 1586. It's got the date and made it easy for us, Russell, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Linen fold on there.
Very popular that song, isn't it, Tudors?
Yeah.
There's more masonry that come down here, looks like
We've got bits of masonry floating around. You see it there, look.
Perhaps, isn't there?
Corbel head.
Yeah. Don't think they're gargoyles or anything, are they? No.
It's nice really to get up this close to them, isn't it?
Is that a lady, I suppose? With that?
Oh yes, look
Headdress,
at the style headdress. There's a name for it.
Mm.
I'm sure a bar of text will now flash up for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
15th century headdress.
Mm.
More. Have we got a church card here, Russell?
Haven't seen anything.
Really? Okay. I know if you spoiled out the parish information and a little library down there.
Bookstore.
Across here, we have the looks like a fairly old door, doesn't it?
It does old, doesn't it?
Plank door.
The top half does, isn't it?
Yes. Bits obviously restored.
So,
Painting up there.
yeah.
Don't see too many paintings in English churches, do you, compared to like Catholic churches on the continent?
No, you don't. Fresco paint in Alburgh. The faithful sketch of the remains of a French painting of St Christopher.
Oh,
On the north side of Alburgh Church, which was discovered in 1841.
oh, really?
On removing the whitewash, yeah. So I'm not sure where that is now, but that's hidden up
Hidden,
here.
hidden behind the layers of paint.
Mm.
It's the south wall of the nave. So let's head down the centre of the nave. We have some early 20th century monuments on the walls here.
Yeah. Got military memorials here, looks like.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah, First World War.
Dragoon guards.
Yeah, First World War, I think.
There. Oh. So, and we have the dado remains of the screen, 15th century screen. And the colouring is tremendous. Look, Russell, look at that. All the golds, the reds, and the blues, and the greens. Just love it.
Mm.
Very rich. Very rich colouring.
Mm.
No figures. Don't think there ever were figures here, to be
No,
honest.
I saved it, I think.
Yeah.
That's vandalism, isn't it?
Fleurons, cusps, gold leaf. Beautiful. No sign of the actual screen above it.
No.
Other side, pretty much identical, yeah. Perhaps a little touch of restoration going on there. I think most of it looks original.
Yes, I think they say. So they say. Yeah,
In the south wall, we have a little scene here which suggests there was a chapel here at one
yeah.
time.
Ages of the Rood stairs over there. Look.
So over here in the north wall, we have the entrance going to the old Rood stairs.
Yeah,
The 4 centre arch on the bench, well blocked up.
yes. You sort of an exit on them, is there?
Nothing remains of the exit. We have fairly modern pulpit. Done again in a wine glass medieval style. Russell there, get a nice view.
Yeah.
We don't have a drone, so this is the next best thing. But look at that. We're getting there, Russell. We know a lot more than we did 3 years ago. Yeah. I've just got to connect to the internet now. Into the chancel. Touring benches. poppy heads. Big organ. Tell us anything about the organ, Russell?
Yeah, let's have a look. Any makers on the maker, sort of small. There's no maker. I can't see if some of them make.
No.
No.
Just made itself. You got the vestry door coming off there.
Yeah.
That's a Victorian edition. You got some very old chairs. I'm not an expert on furniture designs and ages. Another, I think that's a parish chest, isn't it? That one.
It's just there. Look, the straps. So that's three straps.
Yeah.
Doesn't look that old though, does it?
Not sure, I said. I mean, the iron straps do look really old.
Perhaps it's been restored, perhaps.
Could be. We got figures on a looks. Let's say what you call reredos. Looks a bit like a screen, but it's not. Figures Victorian. Altar.
Yeah.
South East. We've got the really lovely chair. Look.
Yeah.
What are you thinking of? We've seen these designs somewhere else, Russell?
It's got old,
Jacobean, do you think?
Yeah, it's 17th century, isn't it?
Almost linenfold design. Almost.
Could be
Not
older.
quite.
Could be older.
Yeah.
Could be 16th.
Definitely before 17, I would say.
Yeah.
I see a date on it. It's lovely.
Could be 16th century, isn't it?
And we got piscina.
Yeah, it's been restored, isn't it?
Quite a large one, isn't it, as well? Strange hole there. And the sedalia. Not a step one, a flat one on this occasion.
Yeah, probably been restored, perhaps.
A few ledger slabs.
St Mary, so on there.
This one from 1706. No doubt there's a few more 1669 over there, under the mat.
Yes.
Never tell what's hiding under these mats.
No.
We don't really want to disturb it. Do we, Russell?
No. Trip over it, didn't we? Halfway there.
Yeah, so the data there from the year 1464. There'd have been a gate went across there originally. Can't find any.
First one, the Royals here, the Springfield family, lost a lot of people. There's about 3 there, and someone there as well. What?
Monuments, small monuments to the Springfields.
Yeah, most of the First World War. Yeah, they lost quite a lot. The family in that, lots of them.
Yeah, they certainly did, didn't they? In 1914, 17. Came over there.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So we finished here at All Saints, Alburgh. It's the first time being here, Russell, isn't
It's
it?
first time being here, yeah.
We've been to a lot of churches.
Yes, and yeah, not far from home, is it? And it's it's a place you never think to go to.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. And quite a large village too.
Yes, it's surprisingly big, but a lot more modern housing, isn't there, so far? But the church is not bad, is it? No,
Yeah, not bad at all.
An old-
Quite a big restoration. You still got probably the day that survived
Yes,
the day is
that's
probably
nice
the
to see.
highlight. Yeah.
yeah.
Yep. See you in the next one. Bye.
See you later.